How do we look next to each other?
Sexy. I have the beer belly, you have the abs.
No.
The opposite.
You look like my son right now.
No. I look like your younger brother. All right, what are we doing?
These 2 vintage cards
That's it?
and all Latinas.
That's it?
Yep.
What about the base heads are? And the 9?
Nah.
No?
Nah. 4,600. Market. 39.
Whoa. What the? You did that so. He's like a magician.
We got a better offer for that already.
Relax, yes.
What?
Yes.
It was better than it was 92%.
Yeah.
But I'm taking all this.
Relax, but it's all liquid gold.
No, it's not.
333.
If it was, it wouldn't be here right now.
Relax, I just got it yesterday. So you can't use that on me. The show today's in slow.
You're so cute. Damn, you been hitting chest, huh?
No, I don't hit nothing.
What are you tripping about?
What are you at? What's the market?
What was market?
3330 plus 1300.
Yeah. Why would I pay you 93%?
Why not?
What?
Who gives?
No.
You're at 4. I'm at 43.
I'll flip you 39 or 4. That's it.
Relax. So what the?
It's basically like 84, 86%.
No.
Yeah.
Arvin, 4,200.
What?
42.
No.
42.
No.
Okay, we'll flip. 38 or 42. Oh shit.
Nah, 37.41. 37.41. $100 down.
No.
Why?
Because I want 42. I want 42.
You said what? 30?
All right, you're at 4.
I'm at 39.
You're at 3996.
No.
Do the math. You just did.
I literally said I would do 38 or 4. That was my initial
Relax.
offer.
You're at 4K.
And then I said 37 or 4100. Bro, you said you would do 37 or 42.
You're fucking me in the head here.
He's bad with math.
46 is worth.
Yeah, bro.
4,600.
What did I just say? What did I just say? 38 or 41?
On liquid shit, no.
That's good. 38 or 41. That's fair. 38 or 41. Run it.
41 bottom.
What?
Fuck the flip. 41.
No.
41. 90% is.
Bro, you
solid.
just said you would do 37 or 42.
Yeah, 'cause he's stupid.
I said 38 or 42.
That's why.
Yeah, and I'm saying 38 or 40 and 41. Just like $25 in my favor. Should I just do the 38, 42?
Don't look at me, man. You lose every fucking flip. I'm tired of losing.
38, 42.
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
You throw.
Are you ready to make your 42?
Hold on.
Right now, you're
All right.
Positive?
No, it doesn't matter. It doesn't
Coin
I'm
flip
positive
with the
either way.
plaza.
Positive to it.
5 Giratinas. The Umbreon and the Tyranitar. Market on the slide is $4,600. We're flipping 3,800 or 4,200. You throw, I call. Throw it high. Right here. Go.
You're calling?
3,800, 4,200. Yeah.
Why are you calling?
Don't worry. I'm gonna call tails. I'm gonna lose.
Fucking picks different.
He's picking tails?
Yeah.
He's already picking tails.
Go. Tails. Holy shit. Holy shit. It's tails! Golden balls! Hold on. Oh, Chinese Latios.
Oh my god.
Yes. $35 S tier.
You just want PSA?
Golden floors. Claim this stack right here. 2K, 2.3, 2.4, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. 33, 34. If you lose, worst case scenario, 3,300. Best case, 34.
Get me at 34.
Huh?
Get me at 34.
Get you at 34?
Yeah. I don't want to flip.
Okay, 33, 35. If you win, 3,500. If you lose, 3,300. Middle point, 34, basically. You're getting what you want. We're just having fun. $100 up or down. All right, check it out. Market on this slot is $4,000. Lots of bangers here. So many modern alt arts. Market's over 4K here. We're flipping 3,300, 3,500. You ready, sir?
Fuck it.
You throw? Right here, I call. You ready? Let's go. Tails.
Oh, that was a bad one.
Tails. You beat me! Yes! You beat me! 3,500, brother. Appreciate you. Do you want a coin flip 1,250 or 1,300? So if you beat me, I'll give you an extra $50.
I don't want to be below 1,300.
Below 1,300?
Yeah.
How about this? You can keep all the graded guards, and then we'll do 1,250 or 1,300. That's like $40 and $50 in graded guards. 1,250 or 1,300 coin flip. Because those guards are $10 each. Fair? All right. Market on these is $1,500. Flip 1250, 1300. You want to do it on the table or down here?
I'll try
on the table?
on the table.
All right, let's
You
go.
call in the air.
Yeah,
Ready?
that's fine. Tails. Tails. Appreciate it, man. 1100 market here. 1100 market, bro.
I want to check the Yokohama.
Bro, 1100 market, bro.
One of the most popular.
1100
Bro,
market.
I'm Arvin too. I'd scam the fuck out of people, okay?
Yeah, 1100 market on these four. What else? Ray VMAX? Gengar VMAX. 580?
6.
Bro, come on. 550?
6.
580 and 550. Add that. Plus 1100. All right, I'm with Giovanni. Some people think he's me. We got Magikarp, Wailord, Rayquaza, Gengar, Mewtwo, Poncho, and 2 Pikachu promos. Market is
29.
no. No, we're gonna do. We agreed to 29. Market's like
Oh, yeah.
3.5K.
Market's-
I throw, you call. If I win, it's 2,800. If you win, it's 3K.
3,000. All right.
Ready? You're gonna call it?
Heads.
Woo! The fucking
Golden balls.
ah, bro. What are these? I like that.
No, that's
Is this from Dallas Card Show like 6 months ago?
no, that's sold. I just got that.
Are these
You think those are my
CGC?
stickers?
Bro, what is this? You bumming.
You want to see my other shit?
What is this Venusaur? I know you got good shit. I'm kidding. What is this worth?
That's like 500.
It's an ugly Venusaur though. Is all you got for sale? Just these three?
I mean, I have other shit. I don't know if you want to look at it.
Altar 10s?
I don't have Altards.
Ponchos?
That's it. I do have Ponchos. I have Mario and Luigi. You want it?
How much? Let me see them. What are they going for right now?
What do you want? I mean, you want to pay for other shit?
No. I want Mario Luigi. What do you have it at? Because here we're at like 450 and 3. So 750 market here.
450.
750 to 800 is market here.
Do you have this shit?
This is 270. This is like 200.
It's like 800.
That's why I said 750 to 856, 53, 55.
Too much stuff.
It's kind of up. Good thing I didn't sell mine.
Call it
5.3,
9.
5.4.
Call it 9. What is that?
Trying to print on me? Nah. Is this 3.6? Is this 3.7?
3.4?
3.2 and 3.27. 3.2, 3.27, 3.32.
8.8.
Nah. 3 plus. What? How the hell did you get 8.8?
You just hit 53 when you saw 56.
Bro, this is like 27 if you want to talk about it like that.
That is not 27. That's not comp.
Damage.
It was 3K. It's 3K.
That's 32 at least.
Bro, 5.6, 5.3, 5.5, 5.3, 5.4, 5.1. 8,400 market. What do you want to be at on those?
85 at least.
Bro, you want me to pay you 8,500? That's crazy.
That's comp.
Okay, what do you want me to pay you?
What are you trying to pay?
7,400.
No, I
You're also
can't.
getting a PSA 5.
Look at his laugh.
No, I can't.
How much? How much? How much? How much? I love that laugh. You're like, oh shit.
Nah,
Was that criminal?
that's very criminal.
What do you want? What do you want? With these three.
With those three? So
Market
what's
is
that
like
total?
8. So I'd like to be at like 650 on these three, TBH. That's fair.
8. Okay, hold on.
650. I'll pay you 8K for everything.
We can flip 8.5 or 10K.
What? 8.5 or 10K? So you're saying it's worth like 9,300?
Well, this I want to be at 8.5 at least. This is just for
Like you want 8.5?
like comped on that, right? This is what 800.
Yeah.
It's 93.
Sure, yeah, 9,300
right?
market.
So 93 market
Then why would we flip 85 or 10?
because it's 90, kind of in the middle.
I'm not paying 100% market.
So what are you paying?
85%.
85%. So that'd be
100% is crazy on those.
So what are you paying for the whole thing?
I just told you.
84?
I'll pay you 8. You want 8,400? Dude, these three are worth 750. And those two are worth like
85 at least. here.
84.
85 and 8 is how I have it.
Bro, okay, say 9,200 on the lot. 9,200 on the lot.
Mm-hmm.
At 85%, that's 7,800. I'll pay you 8K.
Okay, let's add a flip in there.
8K? Okay, let's go. Dude, this coin is destroying me. You want to throw or do you want me to throw?
I'll throw it for you. Or you want to call it? You said it's destroying you. I'm gonna let you choose how to get destroyed.
I have a nickel.
How you want to get destroyed?
I'll do 7,900 or
I
8,100.
wanted 84 for everything.
Bro, you just said you'd do 8. Do you not remember the?
No, I wanted to do a flip.
Yeah, you're like, let's add a flip in.
So maybe
Look,
a little bit higher.
85% was 7,800.
Okay.
So I'm doing 7,800 or 8,200. So if you beat me, you get an extra 400 bucks. If you beat me, you're basically getting 90%. You know that, right? And I've lost 90% of my coin flips with this coin. I kid you not. I will show you the B-roll on that camera.
Yeah. No, I can't. I don't think I can do that this low. That's what I get for all of it.
This needs to be in the orange case.
78 or 82?
Yeah, I can't be that low on these.
How low?
I think what I wanted to be around here was 85, right? If you were to pay me even 90% on those, it's, for Mario and
my
Luigi
God.
ponchos, 85%.
Is that printing too hard?
That's printing too hard.
What if I left you keep?
Bro, look at how much. What?
No. Well, you're thinking. I'm not paying 800 cash on this.
Of course not. That I understand. Why don't you do this first, and then we can figure that out.
No. It's all be together.
No, because it's throwing the numbers off.
Come on,
Because
Antoine.
the percentage is taking the
Hold on,
higher
hold on.
number and it's chopping it.
I'm trying to get to a number here.
So
8,400 plus 800. Marcus 9,200. I'll do 8 or 82.
I wanted to be at 84 for all of them.
Nah.
That's what I wanted to be.
8 or 82.
I think that's fair.
8K or 8,200.
Because 93, even at that,
Bro, 8,000 or 8,200 for the Mario, Luigi plus the 3 all
you're getting these two are extremely liquid.
Oh shit.
I
Even
know
at
that.
90, I can get rid of it at 90, 100%.
So, okay, so you want to be at 84 on your number?
For all of it.
Okay, how about,
So we can flip from there. That's what I was.
no, how about 8K or 8,400 flip? Mario, Luigi plus the 3 all-stars.
I want to be 84.
You're gonna beat me, bro.
No,
look
no.
at me in the eyes. You're gonna beat me, Antoine. I'll do 82, 84.
I can't even.
I'm giving you the 83. Are you
look,
happy?
Look, even if this was 800, you're getting these at like 7,500. You know that, right?
Antoine, you're getting the 8,300 now. 82, 84.
No, I need 84.
82, 84.
You do realize I can get 85 just for these alone, right? You know that, right?
You're doing this because you love me.
I might have to pull out now. Damn.
Whoa.
You teasing me.
We don't pull out here
You
at Go to
teasing me.
Pools. Come with a Milky bag. We don't pull out.
All right, let's just do
We
these.
always wear protection. Always buy 2 bags for insurance. You want 84. I want 82. I'll come up 100 bucks. 83, 84. Are you happy? You throw, I call.
No, I can't.
What?
I can't.
8,300, 8,400, bro. We're basically middle point 8,350 now. You just come down 50 bucks.
I need a little bit wider spread though. I want.
You want to win more potentially?
Yeah.
You want the 84? Okay, how about this?
84 cash is fine.
I'll just flip you 83, 85. I'll give you the 84 basically if you.
You'll do that?
No, flip 83, 85. Happy?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I would do that.
All right, 8,300, 8,500. You're basically getting your 84. No, you're not getting 84, but if you beat me, you get 85. If you lose, I
That's
pay you
what
83.
85 is what I want. Yeah.
And if you lose, 83.
That's fine.
You're fine with that?
That's fine.
That was a long ass negotiation, but all right. Mario, Luigi, PSA 10s, Charizard, Giratina, and a Tyranitar. Mark on the slots close to $10,000.
You know it.
Antoine, you throw, I call.
All right, ready?
If I win, it's 8,300. If you win, 8,500. Go. Tails, 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 tails. Yes! 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 Golden balls! Bang, baby! Mario, Luigi coming home.
All right, bro.
Appreciate you, baby. That was for Leo.